At US Cargo Control, we're here to get you what you want when you need it. We offer a variety of different chains to tackle almost any job. Let's talk about the difference between the grades of chains and choose which one is best for you. Grade 70 chain is also known as transport chain. It's often called trucker chain because it's commonly used as a tie down on trailers. This gold chromate finish is recognized industry-wide as the color for grade 70. As a carbon steel chain with a lower working load limit, it should never be used for overhead lifting. Now let's talk about chains that are approved for overhead lifting, grades 80, 100, and 120. This is grade 80 chain, which is a heat-treated alloy steel. It was the first chain approved for overhead lifting by federal safety officials. Other uses for grade 80 chain include chain slings, recovery, and towing assemblies. Grade 100 chain is also made from alloy steel and is approved for overhead lifting, but it's much stronger. This chain can take on 25% more weight than a similar sized grade 80 chain. That's a big reason why people are swapping out their grade 80 chain for grade 100. Grade 120 chain is a new, high-performing chain and is the strongest chain in the industry. Its square link design makes it more powerful and durable. It can handle 50% more weight compared to grade 80 and 20% more than grade 100 chain. Its added strength can translate into smaller, lighter chain without sacrificing working load limits. This bright blue finish is also recognized industry-wide as a color for grade 120 chain. It's important to know the grade of chain you're working with and its working load limits. To determine the grade, take a look at the links. Each chain assembly should be marked with a grade number, size, and the manufacturer. Still have questions? We're happy to help. Call me, Adam, or any of our other sales specialists at US Cargo Control at 877-986-9207. US Cargo Control. What you want, when you need it.